everybody, and welcome back. I hope you liked that short 19 to 20-second video that you just saw at the beginning, as it sets the tone or the theme for today's video lesson. So if you'd like to learn how to create that cute graphic that you're seeing on your screen right now using nothing but your mobile phone and an app called Canva, stick around and I'll show you how to do this step by step. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Alright, and welcome back again. So we're going to do things a little differently in this video today. Usually I would give you a list of things that you will need to do to create the design in question. But today, let's just say you're in a bit of a crunch and you're not sure what to create. Your mind is drawing up a blank and you're not sure what to do and how to go about doing it. But you sort of have a vague, misty idea in the back of your mind as to how it wants or how you want it to look. So let's just say, for example, you want to come up with a birthday card for your mom or for a mother figure or for someone that is very close to you who more or less fills that role. But you're not sure how to go about doing it. But you do know it would involve some animal and something cute and endearing. So we're going to use the templates or the pre-designed products that Canva has. So that way you don't have to come up with everything yourself. So this will be a quick one. So normally we would go to our trusty plus sign that's located at the bottom right of your phone above menu. But today we're not doing that. Today we're going to go to the top of your phone in the search option where it says search your content or canvas. We're going to start there. So we're going to type in bear hug. And we're going to look for one of the templates that Canva has, and we're going to use that. So we type in bear hug and then we say search. So we're going to be using some pro features today. Not to worry if you don't have pro. You can look at the link down in my description and you can have a free Canva Pro trial for 30 days where you can avail yourself to all of the facilities that Canva has. So we're going to scroll, and as you can see here, there are so many cute templates that Canva has. So this one that says Happy Mother's Day, that is more or less in the middle of your screen to the left, we're going to be using this one. And as we can see, it's pretty much done. All we're going to do is to modify the words, but before we do that, we're going to change the size of it so that way we can upload it to the print on demand provider of your choice or whatever provider you are using. You want to have the maximum size available so you can get the best print quality for your end product. So especially if you're giving this as a gift to your mom or a mother figure or a very, a loved one that you see in that capacity. Or if it is that you have your own print on demand store and you want to have an idea as to what your end result would look like, and you want to only produce high quality products for your customers, you want to have the maximum pixels available. So in this case, you're going to hit the three dots that is located to the top of your phone next to the arrow pointing down. Then we're going to go into resize, which is a pro feature, as you can see here with the crown next to it. We're going to tap on resize and we're going to change it from 1080 by 1080 to 4500. In other words, the width will be 4500 and the height will be 5400. We're leaving our unit of measurements as pixels, and we're going to say resize. Canva will automatically resize it and keep the dimensions relative to the new size that you put in. And if you want to confirm the size, you come back to the three dots, and you'll see right underneath here where I'm tapping on the screen, it says 4500 pixels by 5400 pixels. Now we're going to start to modify this, and it's going to be, we'll tap on the happy, we're going to tap on edit, and then we're going to put the caps on and say you will forever be And then we come to the next line and tap edit, clear that out, put your caps on, my mama bear. You want to stretch it out a little bit so everything is in one line. And then we want to, with the text highlighted, we're going to scroll till we see position, and we're going to say center, just to have that level of neatness. Not really not perfection, but you want something that's really neat. And that's it, you're done. If you're in a pinch and you need something to modify quickly, you can use the pre-designed templates from Canva. Now we are going to download this. Usually we would download this as a transparent background, but for today we're leaving it as is. So all we're going to do is hit the down arrow here, and it will download background, color and all with this size. So for the next part of the video, we are going to see what this design would look like on t-shirts or coffee mugs, on stickers and magnets, zipper pouches, that kind of thing. So I will see you on that side. Okay, so for this part of the video is where I show what the design would look like on some merch. So that way you will have an idea of what you can expect if you were to purchase it for yourself or as a gift to a friend or his loved one, or what your customers can expect. So what you're seeing on your screen right now, and before I continue, I just want to say thank you. If you made it this far, it means a lot, because it means you have gotten value and you choose to continue to look at the video. So I just want to tell you thank you. It really means a lot. So back to what I was saying. So what you're seeing on the screen here is a magnet. Stickers would look exactly like this, so I am not going to show stickers because they're going to look the same. But this will give you an idea of what the magnets would look like with this cute mama bear design on it. This is a laptop sleeve with the design. This is an iPhone soft case with the design on it. This is a postcard, or a greeting card rather, or either one. This is a throw pillow, so it'll make a really great gift for your mom or for that mother figure in your life, for their living room or for that sofa or couch. This is an all-over print tote bag. Of course, cute coffee mug. Another angle of the coffee mug. And this one has a really light pink, so it's really simple and nice. Of course, this will be your zipper pouch and a greeting card, a spiral notebook, and this one is a postcard, but if you notice, I added a rainbow design element to it. So I'd like to encourage you to play and experiment with your designs and add things to it. Have some variation. Don't just use the template as is, have some fun, put some other design elements in it. This is just the magnet but with the rainbow. This is a chiffon top with the design, and that's it. So again, I want to thank you for taking the time to spend with me today. I sincerely hope you got value from today's design video. Feel free to like, subscribe and share so my little YouTube channel can grow, so people can see how easy it is to create designs on your phone using nothing but your phone and a mobile app called Canva. And that way you can create a means of scalable or passive income for yourself instead of spending time like me looking at hours of funny cat videos. So until the next one, take care and I'll see you in that one. Bye.